Now let us see the different string handling functions. So in order to work with the strings, we require to include string.h header file. The different string handling functions are string length, string concatenate, string copy, string compare. The last one is substring. Let us take the first one, string length. The string length function is represented by strlen of function. It returns the length of the string in integers. So let us see the syntax of it. strlen of string, whatever the string which we want to pass, to find the length we need to give the string. Example, char name of, I am not specifying any size, which is equal to Virtulearn. Now strlen of name, so it returns the length of the string excluding the last null character. Now if you count Virtulearn, the total number of characters are 10. So strlen function will return 10 as a result. So it gives the length of the string excluding null character. Next, second one, string concatenation. This function is used to concatenate two strings. Concatenate is nothing but adding of two strings. The string concatenation function is represented by strcat. So this is a function name, strcat. Next, syntax. strcat of destination string comma source string. Then we need to close it with a semicolon. Example, char s1, within that I am not specifying any size, char s1 equal to Aravind, which I am specifying within the double quotations. Next, char s2, I am not specifying any size, which is equal to Kumar. Now strcat of s1 comma s2. And if I write puts is nothing but to print the string result, that is puts of s1. What will be the output of this is, so here the source string is s2 and the destination string is s1. The contents of source string are being added or are being appended to the destination string. So here the destination string is s1, which is Aravind. So for Aravind, the second string, that is the source string, will be appended, that is Kumar will be appended to Aravind. So the output, whenever you see for s1, we will be getting it as Aravind Kumar. So no space in between. Next, let us see length controlled string concatenation. So this function is used to concatenate two strings depending upon the length. The length controlled string concatenation function is represented by strncat of function. Now let us see the syntax. strncat of destination string, comma, source string, comma, n, then close the bracket, put a semicolon. So this is a syntax for length controlled string concatenation. Now let us see the example. Int n equal to 3, char s1 of some size equal to Aravind, within the inverted commas I am writing. Next, char s2 equal to Kumar, I am just writing in the double inverted commas. Next, strncat of s1 comma s2 comma n. Now here n value is 3. So it means from the source string, the 3 characters are being appended to the destination string. So puts of s1, the output will be Aravind Kum, K-U-M, because we are copying 3 characters from the source string to the destination string and we are concatenating it. We are taking 3 characters from the source string and we are concatenating it to the destination string. So in the destination string we have Aravind, and from the source string we are taking 3 characters, that is K-U-M. So the output will be Aravind KUM. String copy. This function is used to copy the contents of one string into another string. The string copy function is represented by strcpy of the function. So let us see the syntax of it. strcpy of destination string, comma, source string, next close the bracket followed by semicolon. So this is how we are going to write the syntax. Example, char str1 of 20, size is 20, which is equal to Virtulearn. So Virtulearn I am writing in the inverted commas. Char str2 of some size is 20, put a semicolon. So in str2 I am not writing any string. Now strcpy of str2 comma str1. So str2 is the destination string, str1 is the source string. When I say puts of str2, it will display the output as Virtulearn because the contents of source string are copied into the destination string and we are getting the output as Virtulearn. Length controlled string copy function. This function is used to copy the contents of one string into other string by considering length. The length controlled string copy function is represented by strncpy of the function. And let us see the syntax of length controlled string copy function. That is strncpy of destination string, comma, source string, comma, n. So here the n value represent number of characters which you want to copy. Let us see the example. Int n equal to 3. Char str1 of some size 20, which is equal to morning. So morning I am writing within the inverted commas followed by semicolon. Next char str2 of 20 and put a semicolon. So in str2 I didn't read any string. So in str1 there is a string called morning. Now strncpy of str2 comma str1 comma n. So according to the n value is 3 here, it will copy the 3 characters of the source string into the destination string. Now if we see puts of s2, that is puts of string 2, then we will be getting the output as MOR. That is the 3 characters from the source string are being copied into the destination string. Next, string compare. This function is used to compare the contents of one string and the other string. The string compare function is represented by strcmp followed by the function name. The syntax for this is strcmp of destination string, comma, source string. Then close it with a semicolon. The very important condition which you need to note over here is, if source string is greater than destination string, then it will return positive value. If source string is less than destination string, then it will return negative value. If source string is double equal to, which means both are equal to the destination string, then it will return 0. Example, int n, so char string 1 I am taking size 20, which is equal to Virtulearn, within the inverted commas I am writing it. Next char string 2 of size 20, here I am reading virtual. The second string I am reading it as virtual. Now you can see here n is equal to strcmp of string 1 comma string 2, str1 comma str2. So here what would be the value of the n here? So it prints minus 21, which is nothing but it's a negative value. So negative value indicates the source string is less than destination string. So what is the source string here? str1. So str1 we have the source string is less than the destination string. So you can observe here str1 is a source string and str2 is a destination string. So if it is less than, then the value is negative value. Next, in the next case, n equal to strcmp of str2 comma str1. So here str1 is acting as a source string. If the source string is greater than destination string, then it returns positive value. That is, if I am writing str2 comma str1, the value it will be returning it as 21, which is a positive value. Length controlled string compare. This function is used to compare the contents of one string and the other string by taking the length. The length controlled string compare function is represented by strncmp. The syntax is strncmp of destination string, comma, source string, comma, n. N is the number of characters. And the same rule, that is source string is greater than destination string, then it will return positive value. Source string less than destination string, then it will return negative value. Source string is double equal to destination string, then it will return 0. So let us take the example over here. Int n is n equal to 5. Char str1 of size 20, which is equal to Virtulearn. Char str2 of 20 is equal to virtual. Now printf %d/n of strncmp of str1 comma str2 comma n. So if I am taking n value as 5, if you can closely see the first 5 characters of both the strings, they are equal. If the both characters are equal, then it will return the value as 0. The output will be 0. Substring. This function returns the pointer to the first occurrence of the string in a given string. Syntax. Char star strstr of constant char star str1 comma constant char star str2 followed by semicolon. Example is char s1 of some size equal to lion, char s2 of some size which is equal to on. Now strstr of s1 comma s2. Now here, if substring is present within the main string, then it returns the index position where the substring is present in the main string. In the above example, it will return the index as 2. That is, L is in 0th index, I is in first index, and O is in the second index. Imagine if substring is not found, then it will not return any index. So this is about substring. So these are about the all string handling functions.